Okay, now we're going to give two sets of awards. These are for students who earned a spot. These are students that made our Math Bowl or Spell Bowl team. Here's the Math Bowl award. This is the Math Bowl award. And they finished second in the Southern Regional. I believe our Spell Bowl team also finished second in the Southern Regional for the state. So we want to congratulate those students. Spell Bowl and Math Bowl. They spent a lot of time practicing. Listen, I heard them spelling words that, geez, I couldn't spell. And in math, the Math Bowl, it's not how quickly you know your facts. Knowing math facts, that's good. The current most important thing about math today is knowing how to apply the facts. So in this Math Bowl, they worked in teams of three students at a table, and they had a calculator. So they could add, subtract, divide, multiply, find the square root. So what it was did you know what steps to take to solve the math problem? It's a very different kind of math. And on the Spell Bowl, it wasn't spell a word, miss it, you're out. On the Spell Bowl, each speller got 7 words, and every word that they got correct was a point for the team, and no one ever sat down. You were trying to earn points for your team. So it's two interesting competitions. We'll do the Math Bowl first. I made them. They're different than these.
Okay, these are all math.
Okay, they should be coming in. All right. Over there somewhere, we're going to go find the Spell Bowl. So this is Math Bowl, and if the Spell Bowl in here, we'll do them later. But we got them. Here we go. Math Bowl, Elizabeth Bowes. Oops. Preston Chandler. Purdue University sponsored the Math Bowl, so you'll see Purdue on the certificate. Ryan Emily, Michaela Graff, Mackenzie Hershey, Katie Hawkins, John Hurley, Trey Kaufman, Graham Kerber, Nick Losey, Bryce Maiden, Dylan Myers, Logan Myers, Drew Nelson, Kirsten Vineyard. And it looks like Mrs. Roach is walking down the aisle with the Spell Bowl awards. All right, so we'll go on with those and then we'll do the applause. Okay, here we go. In this Math Bowl, and again, they spelled 7 words. Each word as they went from 1 to 7 became more and more difficult. And everybody in the gym is watching you. Talk about stress. And they were second place in our regional. Coached by, by the way, the Math Bowl was coached by Mrs. Denton over here. And our Spell Bowl was coached by Mrs. Anderson in 2nd grade. Here we go. Kirsten Vineyard, Emily Metters, Graham Kerber. That's pretty impressive. Graham is my grandson, and I can't spell cat usually. You know, so the fact that he made the Spell Bowl team blows my mind. Didn't get the no spelling genes, I guess. Madeline Kenneth, Carly Fulkerson, Ryan Emily, Nate Dahlman. I hope we didn't miss anyone in math on Spellball. Did we miss anyone on Spellball?
Got a pretty big stack.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's give the Spellball Math Bowl a big hand. Okay, what we're going to do now, I'll shut the sound off on the recorder. We're going to stand up and stretch as we did Monday. Stretch time, everybody up.